bum 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 ba da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba ba da ba 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 da ba 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 bum 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 bum. We'll be talking about him in the vid. Alright, BT, let's check that out. BT, ribbit, $1.36. Been uptrend about 5% today. I don't like the low volume stocks like this. This is gaining pretty big on the day right here. Yeah, I mean, I'd stay away from it. I'd stay away from it. Chisel. Shizzle. Ah, jeez. Dun 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 dun. Boom. I am just scanning for stocks right now, trying to see what's going on in the markets here, trying to see kind of what's happening with everything here, trying to see just kind of trying to see the whole overview of the market here, trying to find some end of day scans to hold over the weekend here, trying to get some good gainers, trying to get some good gainers. We get at least 3 in here tonight, at least 3. Mm-hmm. Show you guys the FinViz scanner here. Here it is. Here's the FinViz's. Alright, let's plus that. Nope, not that window. We'll plus this window here. Yeah, alright. Plus this window in here. We'll do micro cap stocks here, up 3%, over 1 million in volume. There's mist. I caught mist down here. Rode that one all the way up there this morning. I've been talking about Livix since it was right here. Looks like that was a nice gainer for the day there. Ah, that's awesome, dude. That's great. Yeah, FinViz is an absolutely awesome tool to use for, for scanning for stocks. Cause it gives you so many options, so many parameters that you can use. Let's put that over 3. It says party, mist, Livix, PXLW. I think I alerted this one as a potential runner. XCLA, that one has been kind of dying all day. We were trying to set up support around 0.3 and it just broke support big right there. Could not hold it at 11 o'clock, right before lunch there. Put this up over 5 here. Let's put up from open. So PXLW, MIST, and Livix. Let's go small cap stocks. These are where the real ones are. Let's go to any relative volume here. DVAX, that's a big gainer right there. Trill, I think I talked about that one. Or SRNE, there's one. pump. AR, I think I alerted AR this morning. Around the same, around right there. I think I alerted it right there. So it almost broke $3. It got closed there. DVAX though, it looks interesting here. Let's check out DVAX. Just group on. Let's check out DVAX here. DVAX. Looks like it gained it. It created the bowl there. It created a bowl here, or W, or whatever you want to call it here. VSTM. Yeah, VSTM should do pretty well in the long run. I think that did. I think I set my price target for 1.95 yesterday, and it did. It hit 1.95 at the market close there. So that was very satisfying. That the high is exactly what my PT was. Going back to DVAX, we could definitely see 4.4. Yeah, I don't know about 4.4. I don't know if it'll get all the way up there. I think what it's got to do here, because it did create a cup kind of a thing here, and so it might come down here and create a handle down there and then break out. You know, so we'll have to watch for that. I mean, it's only 215. What about good? GOOD. $16 stock. Looks like it's been uptrending since a big downfall this morning. Gladstone commercial, yeah. Let me just draw this line here for. Okay, so from the top of the hill here, and then the lower top of the hill there, and then it came up here, and it's coming up right there. So what I'm looking for essentially is I'm looking for, I'm looking for to say, okay, does it create a triangle or does it create a trapezoid? You know, because you see the trapezoid here from the top there down there, trapezoid, versus a pyramid here, or a pyramid there, or a triangle, or whatever you want to call it. But the trapezoids mean that it's in an uptrend, and the pyramids mean that it's coming down to the same levels that it was uptrending from, and it's bouncing off of some sort of support that keeps moving up with it as it moves up. And we've been seeing that all day, and if I'm correct, it should bounce right about here and then start to go up a little bit more there. The volume is incredibly lacking, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to get anything really very good at this out of that today, at least. Give me one building moment. Chat, yeah. What did I just do here? Okay. YouTube just kind of broke on me here. Okay. Let's go back to our what indicators am I using? So I'm using the Elliott oscillator to see momentum and volume reversals. I'm using MACD to see momentum reversals, and then I'm using the volume here. Up here I'm using the EMA, the SMA. I'm using so see right there, it bounced off perfectly. Exactly what I wanted to do there, which was bounce off that line right there. See it bounce off right there perfectly. I'm using here. Let's go to my studies, and we can check out my studies here. Edit studies. I'm using the parabolic SAR, moving average exponential, simple moving average, VWAP, and then parabolic SAR. DGLY. I'll do a DGLY real quick, and then I gotta start scanning for overnight stocks. Oh, I went too fast. I'm sorry. I'll go back. DGLY. So what I use is, yeah, here, I'll give you a minute to write them down here. Let me know when you're done. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. You got them all down. Alright, cool. So DGLY, very low volume stock we're seeing here. Looks like it started the uptrend there, and then it's been downtrending since the big jump it had right there. It looks like that was a very big jump that it had there, kind of sticking out like a sore thumb up there, and then it's just been downtrending. I think you could definitely see a bottom bounce on this stock. Oh, okay, so it bounced off the bottom down there. I think what it's going to do is I think it's going to come over here, and it's going to continue, and it's going to complete this gap over here. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I think it'll do. Alright, let's start scanning for some end of day stocks here. So this is what my scanner's bringing up so far. We will, so BTU, that looks like an interesting one. It's got a big candle right there. Might see some continuation off that candle. Let's check it out here. And guys, I move kind of quickly here, so just bear with me here. So BTU, let's see here, BTU. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for the price spread here. Over here, the price spread, what you're seeing is you're seeing it bounce off of the $3.15 mark right here, and then you're seeing it come up here, bounce down here, it dropped down, it uptrended for the first part of the day, then bounced down, uptrended, bounced down, uptrended, and it started to uptrend some more. It's gonna break out. It's breaking out right now. We call it a breakout stock. This is a breakout stock right here because it's already, see, it's already starting to uptrend. I think we could definitely see it go up to about the 3.45 mark. The reason I'm not going to call this as an overnight stock or an end of day stock is just because the spread is not enough to be profitable. That's only like 4% spread right there to get it up there 20 cents on a $3 stock. That's not much for an overnight stock. So let's go back to the scanner here. And CPRX, that looks like an interesting one. Looks like it already ran there. FSM, let's talk about that earlier. The RLGY I called out a few days ago. PBI, that looks interesting there. Something new came up here. What was fuel cell? Fuel cell could be interesting here. Fuel cell, the group on IAG and BVAX. Yup, see right there, that candle right there, breakout. TRIL. Let's check out TRIL here. Let's see if they're gonna go anywhere or do anything. Yup, see, it's breaking out right there. It's doing perfectly. Like this thing could definitely see some breakout here. We're seeing a big uptrend there. Seeing almost straight up to the $4.79 mark. The reason I'm not going to call this is because check out the spread again. It's not a very large spread here. Go back to here. pump. Let's check out that one. PUMP here. This one might be interesting. We'll keep this under the radar here. Nothing interesting on it right now. SRNE, NSVM. BTU starting to break out some more there. Let's tweak the scanner here. Let's make the relative volume over 5. Oh wow, that gives us nothing. Okay, how about over 3? How about we change the cap to nano micro cap stocks? Gives us 3. Gives us PXLW, MIST, LIBX. I like small cap stocks. I like to go back to small cap stocks here. Change relative volume up there. And let's see here. FCL. Let's see if these guys are gonna do anything here. Looks like these guys are trying to break out here. They can't get enough momentum going. They can't get enough volume going. HMY. I was watching that earlier this morning, and HL, excuse me. HL, not enough spread on there. HMY. And not enough spread on HMY either. Let's change the scanner to up 3%. Let's see what that brings us here. Okay, so the results are narrowed down. SVM, let's check out SVM here. SVM. Ooh, SVM, this is interesting here. Okay, I think I already talked about the stock, I'm not sure. But, yeah, they're breaking out right now. Look at that, check that out. They're gonna break out here. Watch this candle. In the next few candles, they're probably gonna break out. You know, you can definitely see a big ol'. It looks like it's finding resistance at the 3.84 mark here, as it has been finding all day. So I bet I'm gonna call this as an end of day in the Discord server here. Let me go to everyone. Overnight stock. Overnight SVM entry at 3.84 PT, $4 and or more here. Alright, so there's the first end of day stock out there. Looks like it's pulling back a little bit from the push up to 3.84. I would definitely watch out for that. Let's change the entry point here from 3.84 down to 3.82 here, just to be safe. I'm trying to watch the stock and see what it's doing here. I'm trying to think this through here.
Hey,
can you go away?
if you want food,
Sorry guys, this is my sister. Please go away. I'm really sorry about that, yes. I didn't tell anybody that I was doing this today. I apologize. Alright, so back to where we were here. It looks like SBM is bouncing off of the 3.82 mark here, trying to get up above the 3.84 mark. It's going to be able to, if it does break above the 3.84 mark, it could definitely see a huge breakout here. I'm talking like major breakout. Alright, awesome. You guys are so understanding. I'm so grateful for that. Let's go back to the scanner here. And let's try to see if we can find some more here. Looks like SVM was taken off of that. NGD. Let's check out NGD here. So NGD, a little bit lower price stock here, under $1. Could definitely see. Let's see here. Where does it? So where does it have to break out here in order? Where does it have to break through here in order to break out? I'm thinking 0.83. If it wants to break out big time here, it has to break 0.83. I'm not gonna alert that. I'm gonna keep that on the watch list though. I'm gonna keep that under watch because it is consolidating good. It's a barcode stock, which means it just bounces from one place to another, so it's a barcode stock. Let's change these parameters here down to 750k since it's only 230. Didn't change much there. Over a million. No problem, you guys. No problem. I love doing this for you guys. I love doing this. DVAX, that's coming back up. Let's check this out here. Let's watch this. DVAX coming back up. Think could break out here. That's the resistance point. It just broke through the resistance point. Let's watch it and see what happens. Only problem is I was I was mapping out the cup there. I think might be able to break through the cup there. Or actually, that was the handle. That is the handle. My apologies. Not a big enough spread though to do anything ridiculous here. Redonkulous. Okay. Let's go to relative volume here. Relative volume over 5, and we'll do microcap stock, or microcap stock here. We'll do mist and oh, mist is trying to get to new highs here. Let's watch mist. I am using the Bollinger Bands, yeah. Yeah, so it looks like mist just pushed up to a new high today there at 439. I alert if you guys are looking to join the Discord channel. If you're not already in the Discord channel, you will know if you're part of the Discord channel. I alerted the stock this morning at $3.10 down here, or at least we were talking about it at $3.10. And I go, this is gonna break out, and sure enough, it broke out to about 376 there, continued up to 427 up there. Looks like it's probably gonna continue up. Problem is for me, I mean, if this was an overnighter, it would have to be called right about here in order to be anything good, anything worthwhile. Let's go to nano cap stocks now. OCGN. I was watching the stock down here. I was like, man, I should call this for an overnighter, but I'm gonna wait for the YouTube video to do it, and then bam, it just leaves without me, and I'm like, bro, like 10% just without me. I'm like, man. AKRX is coming back. Let's check that out. MLND. Wait, I'm sorry. Oh, MLND. MLND. MLND is breaking out here. It looks like it could fill the gap there. I don't normally do gap plays, but it looks like it could fill the gap there at 213. Right there. And target price. No, I don't use target price on FinViz. I find that that's not, I mean, you should really just set your own prices, and that would be you should always just set your own target prices. That's the best way to do it. That's the best way to trade right there. Oh, hey, we got over 20 viewers. That's awesome, man. Nice. AMTX. I alerted this at $1.10 today. Got out at $1.44. Awesome gains there. Let's go to the over 3 right there. So we see GNUS and SINT. Someone in my room alerted SINT right here. Watched it break out. That was awesome. I alerted RTR at 11 o'clock. That thing broke out like a madman. MLND is still going. Doing really well here. OPK, iBio, and SONN. OPK here. Alright, let's check out OPK. OPK looks like it kind of started uptrending around the $1,400 mark there. Doing some nice uptrends, moving really nicely. And it looks like it definitely could break out. It's got the breakout pattern, you know, it's got that, it's got this big gap to fill up here. Could definitely break out up to about $2, and I would say $2.15 would be a reasonable price target for this stock here. I mean, obviously, you know, it could definitely go more, or it could definitely fall back and go less, but $2.15 would be my personal price target, as it is moving in the incremental values right now. It's not really moving much here. Let's go back to FinViz here. Let's go. AKRX is showing up on here. AKRX. AKRX. I alerted this one this morning. If you got in when I alerted it and got out when if you got in when I alerted it and you locked profits when you had profits, you would have made some nice gains. They're probably probably between 5 and 10% there. That's pretty good. Let's find okay, let's go back here. SINT RTTR. Let's check out SVM. See how well that EOD is doing here. Still fighting for the 8.4 market. It did gain big right there. Looks like it pulled back and then gained big, back up to the 8.4 mark, which is what I love to see. That's awesome. Oh, looks like we might catch the breakout here. I don't know. I want to set a limit order here. I want to get in on this guy. Looks like it definitely could break out huge here. Yeah, it's moving to the tune of 3.84 here, which means that if it could break through this 3.84 big wall right here, I mean, I have no idea what is on this wall right here, but if it could break through this wall, we could definitely see some substantial gains for the stock. For sure, yeah. I mean, we saw gains up here from 365 down to, or from 365 up to, 386 there. I'm just trying to look for a continuation on the patterns here. Let's see here. Fran, somebody alerted Fran in my room when it was right there. Awesome gain right there. Let me see here. Was there any right there? Whether it's up or it's down, you are not being discriminated against. Somebody mentioned MYO last night. Those awesome gains right there. Big gains on MYO. Let's go to over 5 there. AQMS keeps showing up. I wonder why. The TUES. I was looking at TUES for an end of day stock there. SPI was alerted at 0.92 last night for a 109% gain this morning. OPTT was alerted this morning. Let's see here. ITP. It looks like ITP kind of. I wonder if ITP gained last night or what they did there. But don't want to go to options there. ITP. No, ITP didn't gain much right there. SVM though, I mean SVM is still moving along the same 384 line, 383, 384. I would absolutely love to see the stock break through 384 here. That would be an absolute dream, because if it breaks through 384, I mean this stock is gone. You know, at least that's what I think. It's gone. OGN, let's check that out. OGN. OGN here. This could definitely be a potential breakout right here. Is this big green candle here? Could definitely be a breakout indication. Let's watch for the candle. Let's watch for the green candle.
What do you want?
Oh my god. Shut up.
What do you want?
Alright, sorry about that, you guys. So we're just watching for a breakout over here above the looks like 0.52 mark right here. We're looking for a breakout above 0.52. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it here. Doesn't look like we're going to I'm not 100% sure if I like this or not. If I like this whole I don't know if I like that setup or not. Let's move on. Let's look for other stocks here. MDGS, that was a big one this morning. That was a pump and dump last night. GSUM was a pump and dump last night. MYO was a pump and dump last night. MVIS, same thing there. MLMD, I mean, I'm just, god dang. Let's go back to microcap stocks here. See what we find here. Mist is the only one. You could definitely buy the dip on Mist right there and see if that will go up there. Let's change the relative volume here to any. We'll do over 1 million in volume, and let's do a change from open up. SVM still trying. TRIL, like I said, breakout right there, breakout candle right there, another candle. Actually, Trill. Let's check Trill out here. So Trill, we can definitely see moving up to the 4.8 mark here, and maybe higher. Oh, FSM just moved up a notch there. Let's check that out. FSM. Oh, FSM looks interesting here. This looks interesting. Okay, let's check this out here. Let's check this out and see if it works. See if it's doing anything here. So we're seeing it break above the above this what looks like to be resistance at 3.05. We're seeing a breakout above that for the first time since 12:15 today. Might be interesting to see if it breaks out here anymore. Up to the 3.1 mark or so. Oh, there we go. There's a running stock here. This one looks like it's running a little bit away from us here. Let's see if we can get through the 3.06 mark. No, it couldn't get through 3.06. Bounce back down to 3.05 here. Definitely could run back up though. keeps getting knocked down in this little window right here. Let me see here. Let's check out IAG here. Things been showing up on my scanner all day. Let's check it out here. IAG. IAG. I don't like the way that looks. Just looking at it there. It's just not attractive to me. It's not an attractive stock. Let me see here. Let me see there. Let me see here. Let me see here. Oh wow. Hunting and pecking and fighting for a few bucks. Yeah, we. Really good swing. The AXL. AXL. Let's check out AXL. Axle. Ooh, Axle could be breaking out potentially. Could be trying to fill this gap up here potentially. Let's see what it does here. Watch it. See what it does. Because apparently it looks like it's gonna break through the 4.2 mark. 4.24 mark. Excuse me. It's gonna break through the 4.24 mark before it can ever move anymore. Problem with stocks that are incremental by cents is that they tend to get stuck between cents, and they just kind of move between cents. And so it's difficult about penny stocks though, especially small cap stocks. BTU. I was talking about BTU earlier in the stream here. Let's check them out and see where they went. Oh man, okay, so BTU, they kind of dipped down there. They kind of created this nice little thing right there, and they're getting huge buys in right now on the TNS. I'd be surprised if these guys didn't break out, honestly. I really would. I'd be surprised if they didn't break up to above the 3.36, 3.38 mark. And there's nothing exciting in the market right now, though, you guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about this. Let's go to nano cap stocks. See what we can find in the nano caps. Over 10 relative volume here. Not much to find there. Oh, about over 5. Over 5, you've got AKRX, you've got AMTX. I don't want to load AMTX again. MLND seems to be pulling back there on that big candle gain right there. I mean, there's nothing too exciting in the market right now. Fran, let's check out Fran. Fran could be interesting. Pulling back on the candle there for BTU. So Fran broke out earlier today. Not much volume coming in on the stock here. I don't like that. I don't like the fact that there's only like 20,000 volume. Over 2 million in volume there. See, I wish that was like current coming in volume right now, not like all day volume. Let's look at small cap stocks here and see what this see what they got under 3. About 750,000 in volume. Over 2. There's nothing over 2. Over 1. 2 stocks over 1. PTU and DBAX. That's crazy. Are they even over 1.5? No, they're not. That's crazy. Over 0.75, and then you get all of these. That's crazy. TRIL. TRIL might not be a bad play here. Let's check it out here. Oh, TRIL gaining. They're doing some gains here. They're doing something here. they doing something. Let's let's go back to the scanner here. Check out facts. What are those games? Nah, I don't like those games on facts there. SVM. SVM it has to break through the mark there. Let's go back to watch SVM here. Software I'm using is Thinkorswim, by the way. Just Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Oh, so it looks like it's breaking through right now. Looks like it's breaking through here. Let's see if it wants to run. We'll see if the 3.84 wall meant anything here. Come on, man! You gotta break through the 3.8485 mark right now. Let's see where these guys were. Back here. Okay, so they were. Oh, it looks like it broke through. Oh man, could be breaking out here. Could be breaking out. Let's watch it and see what happens here. Hap. I think Hap has some news coming, don't they? I'm not sure how I feel, but I mean, I'm not a big fan of these low volume. You know, I like high volume. I like large movers. If you understand what I'm saying, if you get what I'm saying here. LLIT. Let's check out LLIT again with the low volume stocks here. It's just not. I mean, you know, they're. I mean, they're still, you know, stocks that people trade. You know, and people are good at trading these stocks, and you know, it's just not a skill that I have, is trading these low volume gainers and these low volume stocks here. NXTD. Let's check out NXTD here. NXTD looks like it's reversing from the big drop there around lunchtime. Could potentially be the beginning of a breakout, but I wouldn't be 100% sure here. Let's go back to SVM and see where they went here. Keeps getting pounded by the wall. Looks like there's another wall up here, but it definitely did break through. That's good. We like that. We like that it broke through there. Come on, man. Let's go and check out level 2 here. Bid is larger than the ask right now. We'll let that run. I'm gonna go and ooh, I just found something. SLCA. Let me check out SLCA here real quick. SLCA, they've been uptrending all day, and then they just have their pullback just now here. They had earnings. I'm not sure what they did with earnings here, whether they beat earnings or what they did with earnings, but I like it. I like the way it's moving. I'm gonna alert the stock at 2.2. At everyone, SLCA. Entry at 2.2. PT, let's make the PT 2.6 plus. How about that? 2 0.6 plus. And we alerted that stock. There you go. I'm gonna put out an order for 2.2 here for 100 shares. See if that gets filled there. And let's let it go here. Let's let it run here. The reason I like this stock is because I like the fact that it's been uptrending all day and it just now had a pullback, which means that people are just now taking profits, which means that it very well could uptrend again, and it very well could break out after hours, you know. Looks like we're just waiting for the stock to pull back a little bit here, waiting for some volume to get in here. SVM. BIMI is running apparently. Oh wow. I alerted this one with a PT of $4. It might actually hit $4. BIMI. Alright, BIMI, this is great, okay. Definitely looks like it could run some more here. Definitely looks like it's got room to run. We're just watching it fight. If it's fighting a lot of a big wall up at 3.1 here, 3.10, $3.10. Looks like there's a wall up there, big wall that we're trying to fight through. That we're trying to get over here. Looks like people want to sell all the way up to $9 for some reason. $3.31. But there's a breakout there. There we go. Come on. There's 3.1. Getting some volume in here. Getting the MACD coming up a little bit here. Getting the Elliott doing perfectly. Let's watch it a little bit broader here. See what it's doing. See what it's trying to do. See what it wants to do here. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna watch. Oh, power hour just started. Let's go check out SVM. Or, I'm sorry, SLCA. Let's see if my order was filled on SLCA here. Nope, order was not filled on SLCA yet. But power hour just started, so I guess we'll see if there's a pullback or if there's strong momentum or anything like that. Let's check out SVM. That's the other one. Oh, SVM is running. That was a good one. SVM is running a little bit here. Looks like it could definitely reach $4. Seeing people take profits here. Alright, so we're seeing a pullback on the candle here. Not a big deal at all. Not a big deal at all. We gotta practice some patience here, you know. We almost hit 3.9. We banged our head on the looks like 3.895 wall. We banged our head on that wall there. Just couldn't get over it, but a solid uptrend from when it was loaded. It's awesome. SVM, I loaded SVM overnight at 3.84, I believe, or 3.82. Yeah, I loaded SVM down here at 3.82 for an overnight stock. Let's check out ATHX. Looks like ATHX is running a little bit here. Trill. TRIL. TRIL. Let's check this one out here. Looks like it's running a little bit there. SLCA. Let's check out this one. Still not going anywhere, huh? I got my buy-in right there. Wow. Somebody does not want this stock to go under $3.23 apparently. Let's check out. Yes, there's SVM right there. Ooh, DVAX. That looks like it could be interesting. Oh yeah, DVAX. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. So, pulled back right there. Looks like we might be able to get some continuation, but I'll watch for a big green candle to make sure that there is continuation. And if we do get that big green candle over the 4.2 mark, then I will alert this as an end of day. Let's go back to the scanner here. Let's run the scanner again here, see what we find here. Let's go to nano cap stocks. Trading over 10, relative volume, MLND, AMTX, XELB. Somebody mentioned me XELB to me earlier. That's interesting. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's doing here. Yep. Okay. So this one looks like it's trying to run there. XELB. XELB. Again with the low volumes. MVIS, I know that was a big one there. Yep. Where's your AVS going today? Absolutely nothing, completely flatlining. It was scary yesterday. Let's check out the scanner here. Let's see if the scanner can bring up any microcap stocks. Microcaps. Mist is the only microcap that it can come up with. Let's do over 500,000 in volume. See if that brings up anything. No. How about 5 over 5 right there? Does that bring up anything? LIVX. Let's check out all the IVX here. See what makes this guy tick here. LIVX. Looks like it could have a run. Where did SVM go? I just want to keep tabs on SVM, make sure it's okay. So it came. It's floating. It's floating. Looks like it wants to break out here. Just can't get the volume in to do it. Any relative volume on the small cap stocks. ATHX, let's check that one out there. HBM, IAG, Trill, SVM. What is gaining? I cannot find the gainer. Is it this? Is it FSM? Ooh, SVM jumped up there. FSM looks like it's uptrending here on some relatively low volume. No, that's the thousands there. ATHX. Let's check out ATHX here. Looks like they're breaking out here. with this one. This is a good one here. No, don't go anywhere yet. HTAX. Entry at 2.5. PT is 2.75 plus. But it's going. It's already going. Ugh. Problem with Fridays is nobody trades on Fridays. Fridays are always sell-off days. So you have to be careful when you're trading on Fridays to make sure. To make sure that you don't oh jeez, I just forgot what I was gonna say. To make sure that you don't get caught in a sell-off here. Oh, okay, there's the entry. There's the entry. Entry on that candle right there. There's the pullback from the big gain right there. Great entry right now, it looks like. Let's go check out AGRX here. Make sure. AGRX. Ooh, AGRX looks interesting. Looks like AGRX could technically break out after hours here. Definitely looks like it could break out after hours. Or in the end of the day here. SLCA, let's check on SLCA. Oh, okay, so we missed our entry for SLCA and it took off without us. How nice. That sucks. But we know that it took off, so that's good. SVM, let's check out SVM. SVM still trying to break that wall, my god. Still trying to break that wall. It just cannot. Once it breaks the 3.9 wall, I bet it's gone. I bet it's gone over the 3.9 wall. Let's check out Party. And that was a big one last night. No, nothing there. LAVX again here. Oh man, okay. Let's go back and tweak our scanner a little bit, or find out some more stuff here. FSM looks like it gained some more here. That's FSM. Gaining a little bit more there. Next, let's check out next here. Ooh, GGN, just shut up. Let's check out next though. Where did next go? Next looks interesting here. Next. Ooh, next could break out on this candle. Let's watch the candle play here. Watch the candle play out here. PHK, that might be interesting there. PDLI, let me check out PDLI. Wait, where did BIMI go? Oh, okay, so they failed the PDLI there. No, don't like that. Let's check on a CLA, see where they went. Or SLCA. What am I talking about? SLCA. Oh wow, so they broke out big time from my alert. Up a good like 16 cents from my alert right there. That's awesome. Nice job if you got in. I tried to get in. I couldn't get in. It's still going here. It's got room to 2.5 to 2.6 there. It's got some room. Whoa. Oof. Jeez. Jeez. Okay. Can you guys still hear? Ugh. Ugh. Jeez. Can you guys still hear me? Sorry. Sounds of life. Yes. Sounds of life. Okay. Let me. Let me see here. ATHX. Right, that's what I called, right? ATHX. Entry 2.5, PT 2.75. Looks like it's getting some volume in. It's a little bit down from my entry here. I'm wondering if that's just a pullback that we're seeing on these and this here, or if it's gonna keep going down here. SCLA or SLCA, that's what it is. SLCA pulling back here. Looks like the entire market might be pulling back a bit here. KOS, didn't do much there. TTI, TXMD. Okay. Okay. SVM. Looks like it was trying again here. 3.89, trying again. Yet again, trying to break that mark. Oh, there's 3.9. 3.895 there. Let's watch the bids come in here. $3.9. Looks like there's a wall at 3.9 here. Goodness. Okay. I'm gonna pick up some shares on the pullback from 3.0. Okay. It's so close to 3.9 here. Ugh. Come on, man. So it's still ping ponging around the 8.9 mark. That's interesting. Okay. Go back to the scanner yet again here. Let's change some. Let's change this down to 90 cap stocks. Or sorry, not large cap stocks. Well, that's interesting. Nokia. Nano cap stocks. Let's do over 1 million in volume there. Relative volume. Ooh, BHAT broke out. DFFN. BHIT. Looks like it's breaking out a little bit here. Looks like it could see some continuation on the. Is that halted or just low volume? Low volume. Okay. And BHAT could definitely see continuation on the play here. Yup, seeing continuation, like I said there. Alright, should break through the 1.69 mark, or the 1.6 mark soon here. Yep, there's the breakout right there. Perfectly, caught it perfectly. Pulling back now, should if the gains are but yeah, this is a That was a breakout right there. That was a good breakout. That was 1.5 up to 1.62 right there. You know, good 5% gain right there. Easy money. Let's get back to the scanner here. AIKI. I loaded this earlier at 0.7. That's awesome. It hit the price target here. That's awesome. Broke out here right after I loaded it, and then broke out here again here. That's awesome. That's super. BIMI, there's that. BHAT looks like it's still going. AUMN, and just ugly. AKRX, not gonna worry about that one. LLIT, there's LLIT right there. NBY, OPTT, TRNX, SIM, TOR, SCLA. SLCA. Oh, SLCA broke out big time. Okay. That's a good 10% gain right there. That's awesome. Man, I wish I picked up those shares down there. Had the order out. Oh well. Good job to those who got in a little bit higher. Yep, there's a breakout right there. Whoa, whoa. Okay. 20%, I guess. Dang. That was a nice candle right there. Wow. That shocked me. I didn't expect that to happen. SVM. Oh, SVM hit 3.9. It's just chilling at 3.9 here. Let's see if it can break through the 3.9 wall. It looks like the Bulls and the Bears are fighting with each other. So the Bulls and the Bears are fighting with each other right now, trying to get the stock over 3.9 here. SLCA. That was a big push though. That's awesome. You know, if you're gonna call out other people, I'm just gonna have to ban you from the chat. You know, because I don't want any hate in the chat. You know, all love, no hate in the chat here. Looks like it got pounded down by the 3.9 mark, but it's still trying to go up. It wants that 3.9. It wants to break out over 3.9. It wants to break out. SLCA. Let's check out SLCA again here. See if that does anything. Looks like SLCA broke out there, and I would have sold above 2.5. I think 2.5 is great for a selling point there. Getting some major volume in here. It's 321. Let's oh, AVGR showing up again on here. OCGN. Let me check that out. Oh, it looks like it's coming back here. OCGN. Oh, wow. Oh, man, OCGN left without me. Double time. What about OGen? OGEN. That one left without me, too. Dang. You're kidding me. Okay. There's OGEN and OCGN right there. HTBX. HTBX completely flat out, but flagging out down below this line here. This stock has a tendency to push out big time after one of these big pushes, I believe. I believe that's this stock, right? Yeah, see right there, and then right there again, you know, right there. I'm gonna alert the stock here. 0.55. HTPX at 0.55. PT 0.61 plus there. 10% gain. Alright, let's go back to the scanner here. I don't know. I mean, there's not. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's anything interesting in the market right now. Honestly, to me at least. There's nothing really going on here in the markets. CORV, I'll check that out in a minute here. Biosept, Guardian Health Sciences right here. ACHV, that's interesting. Let's check out ACHV. I wonder how I got on my scanner there. Palm. Oh, you're right. Palm did reverse. Okay. Something to watch out for. What was I gonna look at? I forget what I was gonna look at. ACHV. Nothing interesting there, really. Let's check out SVM, see where SVM's going. Still up there, oh my god. SCLA, or SLCA, SLCA. Wow. Okay, then. What was my price target for SLCA? 2.6 plus. Perfect. Right there. That looks great. That's awesome. Right there. Okay. Alright, let's see if it can push up on the next candle here, on the next few candles here. That's still awesome gains right there from when I alerted it to where it went. That's awesome gains right there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Saw the Elliott. That was the first thing I saw was the Elliott, and I'm like, oh man. I'm gonna take level 2 out of here for the time being. Kind of mad I didn't get those the 100 shares that I wanted down here, or the 300 shares, my bad, or whatever. Kind of mad I didn't get the shares out here, but it's okay. MVIS, let's check it out here. MVIS, I alerted it this morning at 0.46, PT being 0.55 plus. It never hit that, but it did hit 0.53 around this mark right here. I sent out an alert telling people to beware that MVIS might have a huge dump out, and well, it did. It had a big sell-off right here, bounced on the bounced on support, and then kind of sold off again here, it looks like. I mean, for as far as long-term plays go, this could be a great long-term play. but short term I wouldn't even touch it. Yeah, there's NBIS right there. MLND created its own little thing there. No, I called you ABS at 0.55, and I'm just kind of done with it at this point. You know, it's old news to me. DFFN. Let's check out DFFN here. DFFN. Nah, they're not gonna go anywhere here. SLCA. Did they jump back up here? Nah, they're selling off right now. People taking profits. Greedy people taking profits here. ATHX. See how that's doing there. ATHX. Oh, ATHX looks like it's kind of selling off a little bit here. Could run back up again in after hours though, so I would watch for that. SPM, did SPM ever break the line there? Nah, it still didn't break it. Wow. What kind of a wall is it? 3.9? That's crazy. Either it just doesn't have enough volume to hit it, or it's just smacking itself on the head every single time it goes up there to hit it. GCI, let me check out the GCI here. I know those guys, they ran big the other day. Yeah, I hear they ran big. And then they ran big again after hours. Let's see the 5-minute chart on this guy, or the 5-day chart rather. 5-day chart says you could try it for an over the weekend swing and see how it goes, but it would be a little bit risky on the weekend swing there. That's all I would watch for though. It's just it's a little bit risky. OGEN. Let's go back and check out OGEN. Oh, that's OGEM. OGen. MRNS seems to jump. Let's check out MRNS here. Oh yeah, MRNS jumped. You're right. That's a good. I don't know where it went. I'm not sure. Looks like it's jumping up right now. OGM keeps showing up on my scanner here. I want to do some more looking at this chart here. Quite honestly, I see one of two things happening on this chart. I see it either it's a head and shoulders right here, so I could either see it coming back down here, or I could see it breaking out from 0.5. I could see it bouncing off of 0.5 right here and then breaking out. MVIS. Let's do the OGN here. Let me do some more scanning here. GHSI. TRNX, interesting stock. Interesting stock right there. Mm, I'm just waiting for OGN to do something here. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for right there. 2 cent gain on that right there. Let's see how our SLCA is doing here. Consolidating around the 2.46 mark. HTBX. Let's check out HTBX here. See where that's going. See what that's doing. SVM. See what SVM is doing here. And it's just chilling, sitting there, doing absolutely nothing here, just chilling out. It's crazy. I'm trying to sort through my scanners here. I have like 4 different windows open with a bunch of different. Ooh. Oh my god. Check out FLDM here. FLDM. Would you look at that guy there? FLDM. So this guy's huge right here. We had SCLA. What did I make today? I made 27% today on a $110 investment. I haven't invested in anything else besides that, besides 110 a lotto play in God, what was it here? Let me think of it. It was the big gainer. It was AMTX in the morning here. AMTX. Oh, that's MTX. AMTX. I made $30 on AMTX this morning. I got in at 1.11. I alerted at 1.1, and I got in a cent higher than my alert. And I alerted it there, and at 1.1, it looks like it's gaining pretty big here. It looks like it gained pretty. It did gain pretty big actually. It went up to 1.44 here. I sold at 1.44. Came back down. Obviously, you know, I have people that were holding that went higher and they got bigger profits than I did. But I made $30 on the trade. It's not a bad trade right there. Where can we get your alerts? You can join the Discord and get the alerts. I'll invite you to the Discord right now. Invite people. Copy link. I'll put a link in the chat right now for the Discord there. Here you go. I'm much better at beginning of day plays, like catching the runners at the beginning of the day, than I am at anything else in the intraday. And then end of day stuff is usually better on the weekdays than it is on the weekends. You know, I mean, my scanners aren't picking up much here. MVIS, OGEN, OGen. I keep coming back to OGen. I don't know why. I like OGen. They popped right. They popped right after while we were watching it. They popped. I'm gonna buy 300 shares right there. I'm gonna buy. What's the ask? Oh, the ask is 0.2. I'm gonna buy 300 shares at 5.50 or 505 there. See if that gets filled there. I didn't know that. Sorry guys. Here, if you guys can leave your, if you guys put your discords in the chat here, I can send you guys links. Looks like we got buy order out right now for yeah, OG, and I would say keep this overnight. It looks like it's doing well. Keeping the momentum there. I'm gonna move the buy order up here to 5.5088 or 5099 right there. See if that gets filled right there. Right now we're just watching this huge sequence of red right here, just bouncing. You know, trying to ping pong. Let's see where SVM went. SVM is still fighting. That's crazy. Look at all that volume though. It wants to run. It wants to go huge. It definitely wants to go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Somebody's trying to manipulate the stock or something here. Because it definitely wants to go. And it's got room to go. HTBX. Not doing much right now. SLCA. Flagging out right there. ATHX. Oh man. ATHX dropped down from my entry point 2.5. Dang, that sucks. Man. Well, these things happen. Maybe it'll bounce back. Looks like it's trying to bounce off of the VWAP right now. Trying to bounce back right now. OGEN. Oh, looks like we got our shares in OGEN right now. Looking at, we'll watch this. We'll try to average down as we go here. If need be, we will average down. But I definitely think that we could see some gains on the stock here because of this right here, this consolidation right here, the barcoding. My price target for OGN is 0.6. Anything over 0.6 is just a bonus. VSTM, I called VSTM last night right here. Called the price target at 1.95, that's what it bounced up to. OGN. I mean, this thing is just trying to. Let's see SLCA again here. Ooh, SLCA dropped down quite a bit there. I hope everybody got into that trade, exited up here, took profits while they had profits here. Wow, getting a lot of buys in. A lot of buys in. OGN, we're positive up 3 cents on OGN. Looking for a pop up here. Alright, that's what we're looking for, is a big pop. Let's check out SVM here, see how well SVM is doing. Ooh, SVM broke 3.1 or 3.9. Looks like there's a lot of buys coming, and this thing wants to go. Wow, that's a lot of buys right there. A lot of money present. Definitely looks like it wants to go though, for sure. Check out MBIS here. See if MBIS is doing anything here. Looks like they're bouncing nicely. Back to OGN here. OGN still consolidating there. SVM, dang, pulled back to 3.9. HTBX, ATHX, man, ATHX. You gotta be patient though. You gotta be patient on this stock. Great time to average down. At this point, there's not much I can do scanning wise that'll bring up anything that we haven't already seen. Oh, ONDK. ONDK, this might be a big one. That's a breakout candle right there. Why is this thing not moving? Why isn't it moving? It wants to move. This thing wants to move. It's not halted, I can tell you that much. What time is it here? It's 43. Hasn't been a buy made for a minute. People this is interesting. I'm gonna alert it. ONDK at 1.11. PT 1.2 plus. Cool. ONDK. See where it can go, see what it can do here. Hopefully it's not just some dud. Hopefully it actually does go there somewhere. Okay, so SVM doing nice. Still just needs to get up some volume here. HTBX not going anywhere. ATHX. I alerted that on uptrend. Thought it was gonna consolidate and then blow up. My bad. SLCA still dipped. OGN is what I'm in currently. Still consolidating above 0.5. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to hear. Above 0.5, it's consolidating. I will. No, I'm not gonna buy anymore. Working on trying to bring you guys the best possible end of day stocks I can. Do a refresh on that page. YTRA. Ooh, wow. YTRA. How did my scanner not pick this up? That's crazy. So it spiked a little bit right there. ONDK. Um, hmm, ooh, CN 2.2 to 2.6. That's crazy up there. Missed. Oh, no. That's funny. Missed did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. I was either gonna tank or it was gonna skyrocket, and look what it did. It rocketed. SLCA. Let's go back to SLCA here. They're dipping. IGN. They're dipping. TXMD. I alerted TXMD right. I alerted it right here. I alerted TXMD right here in this little section right here. I got in right here, wrote it up. I sold up here. Other people wrote it out and sold up at 2.5. Great gains up there. It's over. Let's see here. It's 50% gains. Over 50%. GHSI. Sure, let's check out GHSI. Solid uptrend for the past few days on the 5-day calendar, or the 5-day chart here. Does look like they had an influx in volume, more so than usual today. That could cause it to be the end of the uptrend here into a downtrend, spilling into a downtrend on Monday. Could go either way, no, definitely. Let's go back to the scanner here. MLND, OCGN, OPTT. Looks like it's trying to rocket a little bit here. OPTT. Oh wow. OPTT trying to come up and rocket on it. BHAT. 1.65, man. I mean, I'm not sure if it'll go back up or not. You know, I wish I could tell you. I wish I could tell you if it will or not, but if I knew it would go back up, I would buy myself. You know, so okay, so actually, this would be a great end-of-day play here. I'm gonna show you guys why as soon as I alert it. Everyone. BHAT at 1.42. HT 1.6 plus. So essentially the reason that I'm alerting this play is because I'm seeing a downtrend in MACD down here. And so I'm going to actually get in with 100 shares myself. $1.42, okay. and we'll see where it goes. We'll see what it does here, because the MACD, it dipped straight down under here, hugely under. Usually when a stock dips under the MACD, it comes back up and it reverses up, and it starts to come up, and it starts to skyrocket up here. And because the stock didn't dip as much, but the MACD dipped down a huge ton, when the MACD comes back up to those levels, the stock could skyrocket. I'm talking like 1.6, 1.8 plus. We're already green. OGN. Red on OGN right now, but that's no big deal. It's a game of patience here. Oh man, it dipped down below the levels that I liked it at. Oh shoot. Okay. That's not it. I'm gonna get out of this position here. I don't know. Don't know what to do. I mean, it's only a $2 loss. Right? It's only a $2 loss here. Got about 7 minutes left in the trading day here. Let's go back to BHAT here. Oh, we're already green. It's already going up. Awesome. It's fantastic. Let's see if we can break 1.45 up here. If we could break 1.45, that would be amazing. Let's see if we got some starting to get some volume in here. Let's see if we can get another push up there. Okay, so FLDM. They designed a game-changing coronavirus test here. Hence the big jump right there. Oh shoot, what was geez, what was the short-term memory loss here? It was not OGN, it was BHAT. BHAT crawling around right now, trying to decide what it wants to do, where it wants to go here. I'm gonna let this one sit, you know, gotta be patient with this stock, you know, it might not go anywhere, but it also might skyrocket here, so we just gotta be patient. Let's check out the 5-day chart. Yeah, so it looks like it's been uptrending on the 5-day chart here, so we could definitely see another big spike. BHAT, I'm hoping for over 1.6 to sell. Yeah, because see right there, it comes down and then it bounces off, right? And it's coming down right now, and it's going to bounce off right there, right? Comes down, bounces off, right? And check out the 1 day here. Came down huge, and it's starting to bounce off already. Momentum starting to creep back up already. That's good. Alright, so positions so far. We have Pull Matrix, we have Sing, we have OGN, we have BHAT, we have AMTX. We've made about $16 on the day, or about $9 on Pull Matrix, but that's a long-term stock, so I'm not going to worry about that. We are currently about $4 on but we are golden on we're going to be good on BHAT here. I'm hoping BHAT is a good one here. Yeah, I'm gonna hold BHAT for the weekend. This is the only stock that I got in today that I'm gonna be holding over the weekend. I sold my OGE and I didn't like where it was going. And yep. I don't really trade after hours. I don't really like trading after hours, but I am in BHAT and I like what it's doing. I think it could definitely rocket again here. You know, I mean, there's always the downside to think about, but why think about the downside when you could think about the upside, right? But again, it's all about risk management here. It's all about, you know, deciding what you want to do based on the facts here. Based on the facts of this trade right here, you know, the last time it dipped down under, you know, it saw a big increase in volume and a big increase in momentum, which led to a big increase in price here, you know. And I'm hoping that's what we see again on the MACD here. I'm just going by the facts. I'm just going based off of, you know, what I see, what I'm observing. NBY. NBY jumped up a little bit today. I don't think they'll do much in the next few weeks. Let's go back to BHAT here. Check out BHAT, not really moving much. For the time being, that's okay, that's alright, that's okay. Alright, so guys, and this just about concludes the end of the trading day here. Looks like it's getting that last spike of volume in there before before close here. Thank you, I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate you guys coming out to watch me do this here. And BXRX pushed up a little bit there. Could see continuation in after hours. But yeah, like I said, I really appreciate you guys coming out and watching me and let me teach you a few things. Really, thank you guys. Alright, that about concludes this trading day right there. I hope that all of you guys ended Friday on a green note here, and not to steal Ricky's term or anything, but it looks like we might see BHAT start to continue after hours here. Might go up a little bit after hours here. We called some plays here, so let's see where we'll come back Monday and we'll pick up where we left off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Join the Discord channel. You know, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. More things to come on more things to come on Monday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.